How to remove unwanted sounds in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to clean. Next, go to the Restore Audio section where you will find a variety of professional tools designed to remove unwanted sounds and improve your audio quality. Start by noise reduction to eliminate background hiss, hum, or static. Adjust the strength and preview the changes before applying. For clicks, pops, or digital artifacts, use click removal to ensure smooth and clean audio. Hum removal is ideal for low-frequency interference, and hiss removal helps reduce high-frequency noise. You can also use DeReverb to minimize echo and room reverb that may make your recording sound distant. For sharp consonant or distracting breaths, apply Plosive Removal, De-essing, and breath control to make speech natural and clear. Wind removal is perfect for outdoor recordings with wind interference. Use Spectral Recovery and Visual Repair to restore missing sounds and fix waveform problems. Once you have removed all unwanted sounds, preview your audio to ensure everything sounds balanced and professional. Then click Apply to save your changes. Now you know how to remove unwanted sounds in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.